Hi Stallions! Today you're going to practice drawing lines in different directions. The four directions you're going to practice are north, east, south, and west. Before you get started, I want you to watch this whole video, the beginning, middle, and end, to make sure you know exactly what to do. Okay, you're going to need some materials. You're going to need some markers, a paper that shows a map of the United States of America, and the Ozobot. Now, if you don't have the Ozobot because someone else in your classroom is using it, you can still get started without it by just using the markers and the map. And then when they're done, you can go grab the Ozobot and have a turn. Okay, write your name at the top, and you're going to take a marker, any color you like, and you're going to practice drawing different directions on your map. Watch me. Pick a place to start. I'm going to start right here in Florida. I want to go north. Looking at the compass rose, what direction is north? There it is. It's straight up. So with my marker, I'm going to go straight up. Next, you'll want to go in a different direction. Let's see, I'm going to get a line here, and I'm going to make my Ozobot go west. What direction is west? Oh, there it is, over there to the left. So I'm going to make my line go to the west. Next, I might want my line to go south. South is straight down. So I'm going to make a line going straight down. And last, I'm going to make my Ozobot travel to the east. To go east, I'm going to get a line and go to the right. Now my Ozobot can travel on a map. If you would like your Ozobot to go on a different path, you can make yours different. Just make sure you're using the words north, south, east, and west as you're talking through and drawing your lines so that you can practice learning your directions. Have fun, Stallions!